You looking for the best mid-range gaming PC? What's up everyone, in this video we will talk about the top best mid-range gaming PC you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. We recognize that this is a significant investment, but trust us when we say that it will pay off in more ways than one. Sure, shooting through hordes of enemies at ultra-high frame rates and resolutions is great, but your gaming gear can also be used for graphic design, animation, or simply watching movies and TV in stunning 4K. Now that new consoles have entered the market, it's worth noting that, while the PS5 and Xbox Series X are powerful, they're still no match for one of the best gaming desktops. I have prepared this video guide for the best mid-range gaming PC, so let's get started. 5. HP Omen Obelisk. This HP Omen gaming desktop is another high-end choice that isn't quite as expensive as the CUK Mantis.Although this HP Omen system does not include the latest generation of hardware, it does include a powerful 9th generation CPU, i9-9900K, as well as an extraordinary RTX 2080 Super graphics card. Whether you're using a 4K monitor or a 1440p 144Hz panel, that CPU-GPU combination will be powerful enough to handle any game you throw at it at maximum settings. Also included are 32GB of RAM, a 1TB SSD, and an 850-watt power supply. While this system won't equal the performance of our top two choices, the CUK Continuum and the CUK Mantis, it will nonetheless provide extreme gaming performance at a significantly lesser cost. 4. IBUYPOWER Gaming PC. This Intel-powered IBUYPOWER Gaming Desktop PC delivers exceptional performance. This desktop tower system, powered by Intel's 9th generation i7-9700F and NVIDIA's GTX 1662, will get you there whether you're searching for serious gaming, streaming, content production, or multitasking. 16GB DDR4 RAM will allow your PC to run at peak performance, resulting in greater FPS in games. All of your favorite games and content will be stored on a 240GB SSD and a 1TB HDD. Even if it only has an upper middle class CPU and a slightly larger imager, the excellent Processed 1 Gaming Ultra and the tested $999 equipment variant with RTX 2080 graphics card demonstrated exceptional speed. The hardware is easily put together in a sensible manner and is well worth the price. 3. Dell G5 5090. The Dell G5 5090 is one of the best gaming PCs for those looking for a reliable entry-level computer that is simple to update. This reasonably priced desktop comes with a Core i3 processor and NVIDIA GTX 1650 graphics card, but can be upgraded to a Core i7 processor and RTX 2080 GPU for more intensive gaming. The G5's sleek, failsafe design is one of its main selling points, and it's incredibly easy to open up if you want to replace out components over time. We found Dell's desktop to be dependable for playing AAA games at 1080p and 60 FPS per second, and we enjoy that it's essentially bloatware-free. Overall, the Dell G5 5090 is a fantastic pick if you need a nice, economical desktop that you can upgrade over time. 2. Skytech Azure PC. The Azure series from Skytech Gaming will improve your PC gaming performance. The Azure offers the greatest value gaming gear on the market, thanks to NVIDIA's latest RTX 3070 graphics technology and AMD's 6-core Ryzen 5 3600X processor. It maintains maximum cooling performance with 360mm AIO cooler and 6 RGB fans that is powered by an 80+ certified 1000-watt power supply. The Skytech Azure is the best gaming computer built to date, allowing you to play popular games like World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Grand Theft Auto 5, Apex Legends, Fortnite, Roblox, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, Overwatch, Counter-Strike, Battlefield V, Minecraft, The Division 2, and more in settings ranging from high to ultra sharp, 1440p Quad HD resolution, and smooth 60+ FPS gameplay. 1. Skytech Chronos Mini. Although it's difficult to find a true mini build at this price, some people still want a smaller footprint on their desktop. We suggest getting a pre-built Micro ATX or Micro ATX for them. ATX is the regular desktop motherboard/case size, and ITX refers to the truly small sizes, but Micro ATX is the happy medium for space-conscious users. Even if you want to shrink the size of your PC, you won't actually lose performance beyond the expense of the slightly more expensive parts. Most GPUs and almost all CPUs are just as capable of running in a micro ATX system as they are in a full-size tower. To find that balance of great performance and size, we recommend the Skytech Gaming Chronos Mini. Like the two recommendations above, this PC comes from a known and respected custom builder, Skytech. The other two are IBUYPOWER and CyberPower PC, and balances well the CPU/GPU and other components. Both are 1/2 step down from the best overall recommendation, with the CPU being the 4C/8D Ryzen 3100 and the GPU the NVIDIA GTX 1660. You can expect around 10 to 15% less performance in-game. So guys, this was the video about the best mid-range gaming PC. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comments section about which one you liked the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.